The Suzuki Fronx has just scored 4 stars in Japan Ncap safety tests. That's right, the same Fronx that's been grabbing eyeballs on Indian roads is now turning heads globally for all the right reasons. It's great news for Suzuki fans, but not good news for Tata fans, as their brand used car crash test ratings to sell their cars. Now Suzuki is beating them at their own game with safety plus the other pros like fuel efficiency, reliability, working electronics, and better service center experience and network. Now for those wondering what's Japan Ncap, it is the Japan's official crash testing agency similar to Global Ncap and Euro Ncap. These tests are super strict and the cars are evaluated for crash protection, safety features, and overall structural performance. And the Fronx has held its grounds pretty well. In frontal impact, side impact, and safety assistance technologies, the Fronx showed a balanced performance, earning it a 4-star rating out of 5. That's an impressive score, especially for a compact crossover in this segment. Now in India, we often ask, "Kitna deti hai? Mileage kya hai?" But more and more buyers today also ask, "Kitni safe hai?" And this 4-star rating gives Fronx a strong answer. Remember, this rating applies to the Japanese spec Fronx, which might differ a bit from the Indian version. But it still gives us confidence in Suzuki's global safety standards, especially as the Indian versions now come with 6 airbags, ESP, and a solid build. So if you are considering the Fronx, it's not just about the bold looks and a coupe-inspired design, it's also providing itself on the safety front. Rumors also indicate that the 2025 or the 2026 version that is going to be released in India is going to come with ADAS features, which will give a major boost to the Indian version's safety ratings. As expected, as soon as this news came out, all the fans of Tata and Mahindra started questioning the legitimacy of the tests. Even when Baleno got a 4-star in Bharat Ncap, they refused to accept the results. But when Tata Safari got tested on Bharat Ncap, they were really ready to accept the results. This shows that the biased stereotype that Suzuki cars are not safe doesn't hold true anymore.